Okay, I'm here with the next flip through. I just did the other flip through, and I have two of the same exact planners. I think one of them was more mock spreads, but then I also have things written down, so I'm not entirely sure what I was doing around this time. These are both Erin Condren Life Planners in gold and rose gold coil, both in the colorful. So let's just go through this one first. I don't know what it was. Like, maybe once I flip through them, because I didn't flip through them previously, I will understand what's going on. So here is a 4th of July type situation. So it looks like we had some kind of cookout. I was using like Sharpie Ultrafine, I think, at this point, it looks like. This was, I think, a pretty popular video, was the Minions. And I just took like a sticker book and cut it up with June monthly colored items. It looks really cute on the top, though. But Minions, just such good stuff. And I think this is the week of... So I have like a countdown here. I never know what I'm counting down to. Oh, it's down here too. And this is I Survived the Stick Apocalypse. SBC new releases. Maybe keep calm, freak out, get nervous. I think I'd closed for a while because we were having issues like keeping stock basically. And I think it was counting down till I like opened up, and we were like all busting butt and cut like hundreds of sheets of stickers, and they all sold out like instantly, I think. Work all day, learn Jessica handwriting, LOL. Going home to Austin, TFE. I don't even know what TFE is. Jessica's arrival. And then I was like trying to do Jessica's handwriting all through this, and it looks rough. Work all day, plan work. This is super cute with the like little mermaids. Oh my gosh. Coupons. 2 weeks to NYC. I love this. This is so cute. This was a really, really popular kit with these colors. Again, I kind of want to go through these and just like grab some of the colors from them. This is when I went to New York City with, I think it was Jessica and Kirsten. We went to Wicked. We went to Dry Bar. We ate a lot of food. But this is another monthly color. I think it was the August glitter color of the month. And then, And then I just printed out some like Wicked full boxes for myself. Then, I don't know why I have a cruise sticker and it says 4 months. I've never been on a cruise. Maybe we were supposed to go on a cruise. And then also there's this countdown, which I'm not sure what I'm counting down to. Double Date Disney Day. Oh, this is whenever I met Elle for the first time and we went to Disney. We also went to the beach, I think, early this morning, which was really fun. Me and Nick, it was Manhattan Beach, and we just like fell in love like with the beach. Then this is like a watermelon spread. This is so cute. I think this was Caress Press, right? Or was just the bottom washi Caress Press, because it looks like a different color than these, but I think I remember this being Caress Press with these weather stickers that are really cute. I feel like some of this stuff I'm like, this needs to make a comeback. This is just a gray and yellow like spread, top 3 on top. I feel like that's very Kane. Kane would love these. This I didn't fill out. And then you kind of get the vibes of I just kind of gave up. But then I think maybe I switched to the other planner, but also I have some, so like if I just keep flipping, right? I don't know, like I have this randomly in here, Bingo. I love Bingo. Pack for New York, and then you just flip, and this is what it looks like. So they got rid of the like names on here. It's a little bit more chillax. I think this was like a mock spread, or I like had plans to fill it out and I didn't. Same thing here. This was not a me kit. I don't know whose kit this was. Maybe it was Glam Planner. Honestly, don't know. This is matte, so I have no idea who it is. And then I have just some Labyrinth stickers in here. I love the Labyrinth. If you didn't know, I'm trying to get my next tattoo, and it's going to be Labyrinth themed, which I already have one, but like my second Labyrinth tattoo. Very Valentine's Day situation. This was Glam Planner. I recognize the font. This was a like color of the month, or maybe like a Valentine's Day spread. This is whenever washi was still on like matte paper though, which is hilarious. And these like chevron things. Again, this is not my kit. I don't know whose this is. Same with this one. Again, I don't know what but then there were sometimes I filled them out. This is really cute though. This I think was from my shop, like Serendipity, I think it was called. Justin Bieber concert. We went to Vegas. I got a tattoo. Oh yeah, I got this tattoo with Nick. I think that's what that was. Or did I get a different tattoo? I don't know. April, color of the month. Inside Out. Super cute. Again, I took one of those like books and then I used the colors of the month. I think I mixed April and March together for that one. I don't know whose kit that is. Just like a monthly, nothing crazy. And then I think this is a Crest Press kit. It's on Premium Matte, and I feel like Maggie used to like do the craziest stuff, like these like themed, what are they called? Boxes. Like it was all like everything was in theme, like header overlays like this, like it was all a vibe. And this was like a 50s kind of sock hop kind of thing. Color of the month. And then, oh, these are really cute. Date covers. I think that might keep, I don't know if I had date covers previously. Oh, this is Crest Press too. No, I don't think I did. Did we look at this? I think we did. But I was like, they were like this was separate and then these numbers, and it just took up, I took like date numbers out of the kits because it's just like you are only going to use 7 of them at any time. But this was like one of the cuter ways of doing it. It was like 2 different stickers. And you could put like the date and then the date next to it. So love that idea. It just takes up so much space in a kit. June monthly. This was another really popular kit. So cute. Together by the Sea is my favorite place to be. This technically might have been the first foil. This like little layering moment back here. Regular washi. So cute. This one was really popular. I think it's still like very clean and nice. This was another, I did watercolor instead of glitter for June. Again, testing out those header overlays. Then this is another popular one. It was like vintage something. Vintage, I don't know. But again, the washi was still matte. I don't know if there's anything else in here. I don't think so. Some really old like yellowed stickers. And like all of the stuff that came with my planner made it through all these years. So what used to come with the planners back in the day, you got some compliment cards, some of these sticky things that you like pop off the side and stick stuff in, give $10, get $10, some stickers, and then a like explanation card in the zip. So that was like the first planner for this year. And then I have this planner. So I don't know exactly. Maybe I had a filming and a non-filming planner. I'm not sure. But I'm pretty sure this is the same like timeline, right? This one starts in November, so I don't know what the deal was. So this is when I went to Vegas with Elle and Alex and Nick. I got this tattoo this day, and yeah, we just took some cutie pictures. So I put those in. Then I don't really know. I like this colorway though. Again, there's just like so much stuff, and like I don't think there was like, oh, this specifically happened. I feel like now that kits are more themed, like I thought my planner was just gonna fall. I can more be like, oh yeah, I remember this week for this. But like whenever they were just like, this is a blue kit, I'm like, I have literally no idea. This is another one where I used like the Good Dinosaur stickers, vlog ideas for Christmas. This is the day I did the Lord of the Rings, it's like a marathon at the Alamo. They used to have the Alamo Ritz, which is no longer a thing, which is sad because we had our, was it the first Alamo? I'm pretty sure. But we had our rehearsal dinner there, which I'm glad that we got like a special memory there, but now it's like a comedy house, I think. But they always would do, besides like in 2020, but I think even 2021 they did it. And I think they might do it at like other Alamos now, is they do the marathon with a themed feast, which is just so fun, and me and Nick did it twice, so, and both of those were at the Ritz, so I'm glad I have those memories. This was Kirsten's 21st birthday. This gets really cute, very vintage. It's giving me, like, ideas, like, so stinking cutie. I think I went home, and then maybe to New York, because I saw Finding Neverland then, and then flew to Austin from New York. Nick's birthday, I think he went out with friends or something, or we did. Nick's sick. This is really cute. Some foil in here. Who is this? She's foil. Then a monthly with my video ideas in it. Glitter kit for New Year's. This was very like, do glitter and then find clip art packs that match. Or well, you find the clip art pack and then do the glitter to match. This kit was super popular too with the feathers. And it honestly just gives me a headache now. Aw, babysit baby Avery. That was in January. I mean, she's very a baby, but also a baby. This is someone else's kid. I don't remember who. Same. Oh, wait. Dress fitting. A Labyrinth sing-along. Went to gymnastics with Avery and Kirsten. Dress fitting again. I'm assuming this was for my wedding. Possibly, but also that doesn't make any sense. Dress ceremony, dress rehearsal. I don't know. 2 weeks till wedding? Maybe. So maybe this is technically after this? Honestly, I don't really know. I don't know. We're just going to keep this one together and call it a day. Because this would have been... I'm like so confused. I wish this was more organized and I have like covers, but no covers. This was 2015, 2016. Yeah. So, but I think it's the problem is I did July to this, but then my anniversary, I think that's maybe I switched planners because if we go to February in here, which right, because I was married on the 12th, which is our wedding day. This is like not my wedding spread. So I'm thinking this might have turned into a filming planner. And I just started this one later in November. I'm thinking that's what happened. But yeah, basically this is my wedding. We had a rehearsal dinner at the Alamo and we did like, what did we do? We did Wally. And then this was our wedding day. And then we had a brunch in the morning and Avery turned 1 this day. And then Valentine's Day. So our wedding was really, really great. I think this, I can't remember who this was, but I really liked their format. I think then we turn into some mock spreads. This is real rustic. This is another one where I cut up the like sticker book. Another, was this cross press? Maybe. It kind of looks like it. Like I'm telling you, she went all out with stuff. But yeah, it was really nice. Like almost everyone flew in, which was just so special. My 24th birthday. Literally 6.5 years ago. Tangled. Again, I cut up another sticker book. There's nothing in there, I think. And then it turned, I think I just kind of like, this was whenever I would kind of fall in and out of the bandwagon. Do some mock spreads. Think about filling them in. This one apparently was more, I love Popstar. That's the one with Andy Samberg, right? Because I still listen to that album like every month. I feel like this is not my handwriting. I feel like this is Kirsten's handwriting. Take care of Kirsten, cuddle Kirsten, watch movies with Kirsten, love Kirsten. I feel like this is definitely Kirsten's handwriting. I think I already had this in my other planner. But yeah, I think this kind of turned into a mess. I think I was just basically, like I said in my last one or this one, I just always worked and didn't really take the time to plan. And again, another planner with all this stuff in it. So that, my friends, I don't know if I'm going to take a picture of for this one. Maybe like, let's see if something that's like actually filled in. Maybe this one. This one's kind of cute. But that is everything for this video. I hope y'all liked it. Again, I don't even know. I don't know what I was thinking. Oh, wait. IMATS. I remember I went to that with Kirsten. PlannerCon. I went to that with Kirsten. Maybe no. Or by myself, maybe. Oh, taxes due. SBC turns 2. Wild. I think this was a glam planner kit. I think I remember but this is on matte, so I'm not sure. But hope y'all like this video. And I will talk to you in my next one. Bye.